Do you know that if you really want to be successful every time you see cleansing, I've taught you in this church.
So these tactics that he's just trying to do, it is not new. It is not new. Catholics, they were doing it. Now, how was it even done in Catholicism? Or how was Catholics doing it? What they were doing is that they would tell you that Ozo is a traditional Igbo title. So they would tell you that Ozoka. So instead of instead of Igagachi no Zodenana, because let's say for somebody born in Navy, before you chose on a Navy, you will go to every single ancestral shrine that we have in a Navy and inform them that you want to take the title of Ozo. Now, after the whole ritual, the essence of that particular ritual is to ensure that you always speak the truth. But the church came, and because they were trying to separate people from their ancestral practices, they started to tell people that you need the hygiene at church. Sorry, you need the hygiene at shrine. Ime ichiozo n'ụzọ ọdịnala. Instead, bịa na church ka ichiozo ụka. Kịta nụwa, a na-etizi mmanwụ in the church. There might be a Catholic church function. If I etiri mmanwụ pụta. I say, why? You need the ije ebe a na-eti mmanwụ n'ụzọ omenala, make like ndị nne na-agba afịa ọrụ. On the Enugu Nemodo. If I said no, you need who's EJJ participative in those ones because those ones were idol worshipping. Now you should now come to the church and look at it is in mount. And what would you do? Look it's in mount. So in Catholic, they are trying to incorporate some traditional cultures or practices so that it's to give people the excuse to separate from themselves from their traditional institutions. So what this man is doing, it is not new. It is a blueprint that he got from the Catholics. But the mistake that he's making is that he's plagiarizing what a Dibia said, word to word, without even trying to seek out to confirm if that there is any single truth to what he's saying. Now, by telling people that, oh, there is something that is going to limit you, if you don't abstain from engaging in this practice, it's going to limit you. It makes Nigerian men to lose every sense of reasoning. And this is a problem that we need to start solving. And this is why, before you know it, this man is going to amass a lot of population because people are looking for reasons that they will blame for why the economy, for why things are not working out for them, instead of blaming government, their politics and their policies, the politics and they play, the tribal marginalizations, and what again? Not unnecessary because taxes are necessary, but the high cost of tax and they impose on people. Just imagine if you earn up to 800K in a year, government will collect like 20% of it. Now that means if you're making like 60K in a month, you get at the end of the month, you know, at the end of the year, you got an account of you that 800K. And what will government do? They'll still tax you, even though you're earning less than minimum wage. It just does not make sense.